can help. The sound of H. See, she has a hat. With stripes around it, doesn't it? Where would you wear a hat like that? Looks like a beach hat to me. Hats can help if the sun is too hot. There's a very nice hat on. See, it keeps her face all shaded from the sun. Hats can help you if you are in the sun or not. So look at this. See, he has a hat on, but he's kind of in the sun, but what's back here? It's all snow. He has his snow sled and his gloves on and his coat and then his special hat. Hats can help if things get bad. Do you know what this person does? Yes, he's a fireman. And what's on his head? His fire hat's very special hat. Up here it says firefighters. So there's the firefighter's hat. He has a flashlight, all of his gear down here. He helps us. Hats can help if things get bad. Hats can help if you are sad. Look at that funny clown. Very funny clown. I like the stars down here on his clown suit. Must be a girl because she put the long wig on. And the funny hat. There's the clown hat. Hats can help you when you play ball. So where is his hat? There it is on his head. It's a special hat. And he wears that. It's the hard hat. It's hard plastic. See that ball right there? If the ball comes up too high and hits him in the head, his head won't get hurt because he has his special hat on when he plays baseball. Hats can help if you fall. So they're on their bikes and they have their bike helmets on. So if they fall over, it'll hit the helmet, not your head. So always remember to wear your helmet when you ride your bike. Hats can help you if things fall. Wow, so now let's see. What do you think he's doing here? I think he works in building things, like in construction, building buildings. So when you're building buildings, you wear a special hat. It's called the hard hat. So in case something's not nailed on very good and it falls down, it won't hurt your head. Hats can help you know who to call. See, there's a policeman, and he has his special hat on, and his hat has a number on it. That's his number of his policeman. That's his policeman number. So he really helps us. They really, really help people. And if you want to make sure that it's a real policeman and not just someone pretending to be a policeman, you make sure, look at their number on their hat and on their shirt. It should match. And then you know it's a real policeman and he can help you. If you need some help, go see a policeman. Hats can help if you are baking buns. Look at that. He's a baker. And look at that, what he has on. It's called a chef's hat. Made out of material, like his shirt, his chef shirt. And what's in his basket? Baking buns. Those would be good. Hats can help you have fun. Look at that. She has a birthday hat on. I think it's her birthday. And she has 2 candles. So she's 2 years old. How special. Our word list. Hats, have, help, hot. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Our letter H.